I'm going to show you how you can move entities inside of a block with parameters and actions. Before we get started, I expect you to already know how to use AutoCAD 2D to a pretty high level. I also expect you to have good understanding of how to create and edit blocks. And of course, bring your enthusiasm. What we're going to cover is how to move geometry using a point parameter and a move action. You're going to need to start from this reference drawing. When I open it up, you'll see that all of the geometry is random, it's not grouped. We're going to add a point parameter to somewhere close to one of the pieces and give it one grip point. Then we add a move action, select that parameter and select the geometry that we want that point to move. Then we simply repeat it for the remaining puzzle pieces. And then we close the block, save it. We can move each puzzle piece independently while still maintaining the same block. If you like what I do, please subscribe to my Patreon. In addition to the lessons that are available online for free, I also have a number of in-depth practice exercise, written instructions, and starter files and example files that are available to download. Please check the description. You're supporting not just me, but learners all over the world from a diverse set of backgrounds, different levels of education, and different starting points. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.